Hey, today I'm introducing Allo Microwave Safe Stainless Steel containers that are received from Allo Innovare. These containers are completely leak proof, so you can carry curry, gravies or anything you want without worrying of any spills. They're also microwave safe, which is quite rare for steel containers, and the food heats so well with no sparks. The inside is made of 100% food safe stainless steel. It doesn't react with food, doesn't rust, and of course feels premium. The set is available in the option of 2, 3 and 4 containers, with each container having the capacity of 320 ml, which is perfect for daily food storage, meal preparation or anything you wanted to store in this. The outer body is made of durable plastic, making it lightweight, and the lid is easy to open and close while sealing tightly. And guess what? It's also freezer safe and very easy to clean. You can wash it quickly or even put it in the dishwasher. Overall, if you're looking for microwave safe, stainless steel, durable, this is a really good option for you. Go and check it out.